welcome to Science at Home. My name is Lucy. I'm a Blue Coat at Science North. And today, here in this video, we're going to have a bit of fun with an experiment to explore the seasonal process of freezing and melting water. For this experiment, we will be needing a few things. You'll be needing a balloon, a plate, a microwave-safe bowl with a spoon or spatula for mixing, some chocolate chips, some water, a microwave, and a freezer. Remember to ask for help or permission from an adult when using the microwave. In fall, it gets cold enough for water to freeze. Instead of rain, we have snow. And it's cold enough to start having ice on lakes and rivers. While in spring, it gets warm enough for it to melt. Most years, water freezes and melts more than just once. When water freezes, it expands, it gets bigger. Believe it or not, ice has enough pressure to break apart rock or chocolate. For our activity, we will start by adding some chocolate chips in our microwave-safe bowl. I only needed about half a cup of chocolate chips. We want to melt our chocolate chips using the microwave, but chocolate can burn quite easily, so we only want to put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds at a time. Make sure to stir the chocolate chips every 30 seconds. Set aside to cool. Like me, you can use a regular balloon for this, but a water balloon will be less likely to break. Fill your balloon partway with water. Be careful not to overfill and burst the balloon. Be very careful when tying your balloon up. This is not easy, so ask an adult if you need help. And make sure to tie it over the sink to avoid making a water mess. The chocolate should now be cool enough to touch, but still semi-liquid. Dip the balloon into the semi-molten chocolate and roll it around to get it a good coat on it. You may want to also try to pour some of the chocolate on top using your spoon or spatula. You can experiment with the thickness of the chocolate coating. Beware, this part can be quite messy. Once done, place the chocolate-coated balloon on a plate. Once done with this part, now make sure to wash your hands. Now, to freeze the water inside the balloon, we'll stick our chocolate-covered balloon in the freezer overnight. Hey, look, it broke. The chocolate couldn't stretch to make room for when the water froze into ice and expanded. Instead, it cracked to make room. Rocks aren't stretchy either, so they can also be cracked or even broken down when the water freezes in the cracks. Rocks breaking into smaller rocks is known as erosion. Eventually, the rocks will be eroded so much that it'll become, well, sand or soil. The same thing happens to our roads. That's why it's so bumpy in the spring. And we do need to have it fixed. There's a lot of construction happening over the summer. So thank you for joining me for this chocolatey experiment. I hope you'll have fun.